1162. What about rotating a parabola 45 degrees? Review your results from part B of problem 1159 to write the polar form of y equals x squared. Use the results and your observation from the previous problem to write a polar equation for the graph that has been rotated 45 degrees clockwise, or clockwise 45 degrees. So what I want you to do actually is this. First off, I want you to just take the rectangular form, the y equals x squared, and I want to work through, without looking at the answer, I want to work through what that is in polar form. So you know that y equals, that's the height, so that's the r sine theta, and the x equals the r cosine theta, and that would be squared. So what I need to do is I now need to solve for r. So I'm going to go ahead and square on the right hand side. So r would be squared, and then the cosine squared theta. And now what I want to do is solve for r. Well, first off, I would divide the r off. So this r goes with that, and these are gone. So then I have sine theta equals r cosine squared theta, and then divide the cosine squared theta. So you will get r to equal sine theta divided by cosine squared theta. And now you can go ahead and check 159b, and you'll see that is the correct answer. Now it wants to rotate clockwise by 45 degrees. So clockwise by 45 degrees, that you would take your r equals, and it would be sine, and then theta clockwise means plus. So plus 45 divided by cosine squared of the theta plus 45 degrees. That is how you would rotate that. So just make sure that you check it on your calculator just to see, enter in both the r equals the sine theta over cosine squared theta, and then the other equation.